so we see that we have 300, and we're going to split that into 2 groups because that's what we're dividing by. So our blocks show that we have 3 hundreds blocks, 3 tens blocks, and then 5 1 units. So that makes 335. So we're going to break our hundreds into 2 groups because that's what we're dividing by. And we have 100 left over. So we're going to go to our paper and we're going to write that out. So we have 2, and then we have 100 left over. So 2 times 1 equals 2, and then subtract 2 from 3 gives you 100 left over, which is shown here. And now we're going to move over to our tens place and bring down that 3 in the 335. And so we put that here, and that leaves us with 100 and then a 3 in our tens place, so 130. But the way we see that, it really just looks like 13. So what we're going to do is break this 100 into 10 tens blocks, and we're going to add it with the 3 that we already have to give us 13 tens, just like we have on our paper. And so the next step is to break this 13 up with our 2 groups evenly, or as even as we can get it. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each group with 1 10 left over. So we have 6 left in each group, and 2 times 6 equals 12. 13 minus 12 equals 1, and we have 1 10 left over, and our 1 is in the tens column. And so next is we bring down that 5, and we end up with 15, or 10 and 5. Yeah. And so we're going to take this 10 and we're going to do the same thing and break that up into 10 1 unit pieces and add in the 5 that we already had to give us the 15 ones, because that's the place that we're working with. And then we're going to split that up evenly with our 2 groups, just like we did before. 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 in each group and 1 left over. So we write our 7 that we have in each group. 2 times 7 equals 14. 15 minus 14 equals 1. And we can't break this up anymore. And so our answer as of right now is 167 with a remainder of 1. And to check that answer, we know that our original problem was 335 divided by 2. And so with division, you're breaking a group apart. You're breaking up a sum into a certain amount of groups. And so the opposite of breaking something up is putting something together. And so the opposite of division is multiplication. So if we know that 335 divided by 2 equals 167 with a remainder of 1, then 167 with a remainder of 1 times 2 should equal out to 335. So 67 times 2 is what we're going to do. And 167 times 2, and I'm just going to do the regular multiplication method. 14, 12, 13, so 2, 3. With, yeah, it's basically the same. So our answer of 334 is very close to what we started with 335. So if we really factored in our remainder, then we would end up with the same number. But we're a little off because of the remainder, which it's okay. And that's all.